Javier Negrete, and I am in the beautiful city of London enjoying so many things, especially that I found Champion Academy, and I am blown up of my mind totally after 20 years of courses, seeing different coaches, seeing different programs, and also many things about consulting, coaching, getting leadership, self-inner work, new age things, shamanic, all kind of things. This is really the most amazing thing that I have done. It's so great. It goes every detail, every single thing is covered. Um, I cannot think in anything that has more work, heart, and soul put in it. Ed and his team have done a massive, amazing, spectacular job, and I cannot wait to see more of this. Um, what else can I tell you? Is so spectacular, so wonderful. All the ways that they teach you, they show you the ways that I can launch my courses and I can be the best of myself. So, thank you guys.